Let's have a look at a small example for our event-driven process chains. The small example is about the application for a vacation. So you work in an enterprise. Let's say you as an employee want to apply for a vacation. You have a certain time specified, and then there's a certain process where at the end either your vacation is possible, you are successful, you applied and it was approved, or vacation is not possible. The manager says that you're not allowed to take the vacation. So it actually starts with you personally having the desire for the vacation. That's an event. That's a certain state which is relevant in the enterprise, and which then leads to you filling out the vacation application. So this is a function where you actually do something. You take some time to perform that function. After the function is done, after the activity is done, the application form is completed. So you reached a certain event. Maybe you click the OK button in the electronic form, or you just sign the form if it's paper-based. Then you send the application, let's say electronically, to your manager, and your manager then receives the application. So sending the application might be that you have to initiate that sending, or that you just click the OK button in your form, and then this is a quite a short function, quite a not many time consuming function, but anyway you have to do it. You have to send the application. After the application is received by the manager, he inspects the application. He or she inspects if the application fits to the plan, to the human resources plan maybe. And then there's either the one direction or the other direction it continues with. So either the manager decides for approving the application, like in this branch where the event application approved follows, or the manager decides for rejecting the application, and then the manager would say, no, the vacation is not possible. It's an event, again, that the application is rejected. Let's say the application is rejected, then the manager informs you, and this is again a function, this is again an activity. It takes time that the manager talks to you, the manager writes you an email, that the manager maybe also clicks just not approved. So this then would be the information maybe automatically. And at the end, the event vacation impossible is reached, such that you know, no, it's not possible for you to take the vacation. In the positive case, you would arrive at this event application approved, and then some things happen in parallel. So first the applicant is informed. So you as the employee who applied for the vacation are informed by an email or by the system. Then let's say in parallel the schedule for the vacation is updated. So the manager knows when you're absent, when he cannot plan with you as an employee, and the register of all the vacation for the employees is updated so that it's registered when you took your vacation. It's not the same like the schedule. The schedule is more important for the planning of the resources, and the register is more important for the human resources administration, so that it's not more vacation. It's not possible to take more vacation than you actually are allowed to take. So the register is updated for that case. So, and these three things happen in parallel. And as you can see here, as I mentioned before when we discussed the constructs, it is also possible to do more than two branches in parallel. Here there are three branches in parallel, and they just happen in parallel because it's not required to have one function and then the other. You just can do them in parallel. They are not dependent on each other. If you finished all of these three functions, then you join them together with an AND again. Actually, here you just split into three branches and perform one function. That is one possibility. But you also could have a longer sequence, which consists of function, event, and the function again, or an event even again. And even these sequences could have different sizes, so different numbers of functions performed. It doesn't matter. At some point, you might want to join. In this case here, you join with an AND because you finish, of course, all three different branches. And then if all three different branches are finished, if all functions are finished, then the vacation is finally possible. That's a state which is reached. The vacation is possible. You know that already from the information which was performed for you. And then this certain state in the company is reached.